Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Kamelia and as usual I'm going to show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. Let's watch. Hello again, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia, and first of all I want to thank you for choosing my video, and it's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications. Today in this video I want to show you the beautiful Baghdad street. Very nice and lively street with lots of shops and really nice and casual restaurants and cafes. This beautiful street is located in Asian part, but is modern as European as in the heart of the Europe. There are many restaurants, shops and cafes which services is at a very high level. Walking on Baghdad Street is so relaxing for elderly people and also is so fun for young people. If you want to experience Asian side of Istanbul lifestyle, you may visit Baghdad Street. You can start with a breakfast, then a delicious coffee, seaside, continue with pizza and wine, shopping, and for night you can choose a bar with live music. If you're looking for special shops or intend to walk alongside the beach, I do recommend you to visit this street. There are metros, bus, taxis available during the walking period. If you like to have a good steak, then go to Günaydın Gassab, and restaurant is located in the middle of the street, and you will not regret it. Baghdad Street is a large street with many shops and restaurants on it and around. It's an Asian site connecting Kadıköy to Bostancı. Dolmuşes could take you towards Kadıköy anywhere. It's better to visit in late afternoon in summertime, as shops and cafes will be more active then. All is also so nice to walk and stroll around. This street is very clean, organized, and disciplined. Baghdad Street is one of the most charming areas of Istanbul. A long, never-ending street with lovely restaurants. You will see the glamour of this place in evening, mostly in weekends. Seems the whole city comes down here for a good time with family or friends. Also, this is a great shopping destination as well with global Turkish branded store with latest fashion. Thanks for watching my friends, and thank you for subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications, and comment me if you've been there, what was your experience. And love you all.